Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about a very powerful indicator. This indicator confirms the signals and identifies important entry areas, as well as taking profit and exiting some trades. As you can see here, this indicator shows some important levels, and these levels help a lot in determining entry points very accurately because they appear constantly on the chart, and every time we see them, it means that we saw a new opportunity to enter the market. And to learn how to use it, let's start from the beginning. Before we start, I would like to mention that I always trade crypto on Bybit platform, one of the largest and most reliable exchanges in the world. Register now with link below the video, claim up to $30,000 deposit bonuses, and enjoy many other benefits that we always share on our Telegram channel. Well, to get this indicator, copy the link below the video, paste it into your browser, and when this page opens, scroll down a bit until you reach this button and click on it to add it to your favorites list. Now go back to your chart, open the indicators box, and in search field type plus order blocks, and the indicator will appear here. You can also find it without searching in the favorite section here. Using this indicator is not very difficult when we see that the price is going up and suddenly this rise stops, and after a few candles this blue area appeared. This means that any candle that touches this area from below, it may be an opportunity to enter a selling position. On the contrary, when we see that the price is in a downtrend and then such a blue area appeared here, this means that any green candle that touches this area from above or is close to it may be an opportunity to enter a buying position. Well, this is the basic rule for this indicator, but to know more, let's go back a bit to see some more clear examples. Here, we can see many good examples. In this area, we see that the price has rebounded several times to the upside, and here, we see a strong pumping as well. As for here, when the blue area was formed again, we notice that it has become a rejection area, and the price has rebounded from it several times, in an excellent way. But all this remains difficult to understand unless we use the play tool to go back in time. Well, let's say we were trading somewhere here. Here we see that the rebound was fast from the order block area because the buy orders here were of high values. And now, after a few candles, we see the order block area has appeared again, and this means that at this level, there are many pending sell orders. Here we see a clear rejection, and we see the candles bouncing down. And here, we see a repetition of this rejection and also the price bouncing down again. But how can we be sure of such signals, as this area may be breached upwards? To confirm the signals, there are several ways, and for example, we can use the simple MACD indicator. As we can see here at this candle, the retracement occurred from the block order area. Then, at this candle, a confirmation signal appeared from the MACD indicator. So from here and comfortably, we can enter into a short position. Now let's go ahead to see another signal with the use of the MACD indicator. Now we see that the candles touch the order block area. And after two candles, we see a sell signal appearing on the MACD indicator. So from here, we can also enter into a sell position. Well, now let's go ahead and see some other features of this indicator. From the control panel of the indicator, we activate these two functions. These functions, which appeared in red and green, extend the area of the order blocks according to the nearby support and resistance. As we can see, it also works well and shows the important places for candle retracements. Now let's see the chart completely and quickly in order to make sure of the accuracy of this indicator. Now let's see the effectiveness of this indicator with buying and selling indicators, and let's try it with the free gems code indicator. Here we see a sell signals appearing near the order block area, so here, we can use these signals to enter a short position. Here, we see a buy signal near this area, which confirms that a buy position can be entered as well. But here, when the signals are far from the order block areas, it is better to avoid using them. Well, as we can see, there are many signals that can be confirmed by this indicator. Now that we understand a lot about this indicator, let's see the effectiveness of this indicator in confirming breakouts. In this area, we see that the candles are mixed with the order block area, and we cannot know the next direction of the candles, so here we can use trend lines. We draw the upper trend line, and we draw the lower trend line, and then wait for a breakout. And as soon as one of the trend lines is breached, we enter the trade. Let's see another example, and let's check the thick area here. In this area we can see a very clear trend line, so let's put it here. Once this line is breached, we can enter as well. Let's see another example. Here also we can see the trend line near the order block area. So we draw the trend line, and as soon as this trend is breached, we enter into a buy position. Well, this method is really good for confirming breakouts, but what about small scalping frames? To find out, let's use a 1-minute frame, and although this frame is the most difficult, I expect to see good performance from this indicator. Here we see the beginning of the formation of the area, and we also see a good bounce. Here too, we expect another decline. And here, a price rebound occurred. Here too, we see a good price reversal. Well, it looks good on small frames as well, which confirms the quality of this indicator. To get educational and free signals, you can join our Telegram channel, and you will find the link below the video. Finally, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Good luck.